So I will show you some video after how many weeks from now. Let's see if the kamatis, the tomato is red. Nahinog na siya. So, pwede nato ni siya magamit sa kusina, guys. Yan. It bear fruits also. In my observation, guys, the tomato planted in the container is very, I think, it's very slow in terms of bearing in growing up. No, look at this, look at that. In growing up, compared to the tomato planted direct from the ground. See, if look at the fruit. I think there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 fruits compared to the direct from the ground. So we will compare it. The tomato planted direct from the ground, as you see, there's so many fruits, guys, compared to the hanging plants, a hanging tomato. See? Okay. This so nice, guys. And here also, this is a tomato planted direct from the ground. It bears some main fruits because in this nude, see, bear fruits and after. So, here guys, I'm very happy with my experiment na my tomato, hanging tomato planted in the plastic container and the tomato planted direct from the ground. So as I can observe this experiment, guys, it gives me a happiness because in every morning when I wake up, I go to my garden and see the plants, the garden, my tomato, my experiment. Not only tomato, I plant also many vegetables there. In the urban place, if you are a resident of a certain subdivision, if you live in the city, you can use this kind of method, guys, of gardening. So this hanging tomato, you can put it in your terrace or